You know what? Let me load that save. Because having him have more armor kind of defeats the purpose of, at least in my idea, him being good. Because if I can't make him get close to death after getting like few hits in, then what's the point?
At ease, soldiers. It's time to hit the hay. You never know when the invaders might attack, so rest up while you still can. Well then, good night.
Huh?
You got it all? That's amazing! Way to go, Mr.
You do realize
Big
he's
Shot
only
Team
going to
Leader.
survive for one turn, or at least 2 turns. And besides,
Oh,
the
you
attack
helped, all right.
resets
I'll get
after
back to
he gets
working on
hit.
Sarah first thing tomorrow. Thanks again. Good
It's
night.
not like it stacks for the whole wave. If it did, that would be pretty good, but... Does it work that way? Because if it stacks for the whole wave, then yes, that's actually worth it. But if it only activates on the next following turn, then there's no point. He's pretty good for just like initiating a turn where you just like move one thing and then just let the turn move so you can get more
Burn out of troops! Time
turns.
to rise and shine! Get ready for your 67th day of active service here at Last Defense Academy. Prepare to spend another day enduring the unendurable and suffering the insufferable to pave the